So the questions I will put to you here after this particular point will be very critical.
Yes.
So did you at any given point in time during that morning see the accused person, that is Babu, with a gun or any weapon of any type?
No, we were just having conversations.
You were just having conversations. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. And you've told us by the time you're having conversation, why is it true that people were many in that particular specific area? At the point
there were a couple of people.
You are a couple of people.
Yeah.
The lighting in that club, is it lighting that you can compare with where you are or where I am standing? Or where the court is? Was the lighting as clear as this?
And it's a club, so the lighting has to be toned down.
The lighting was toned down. And I presume the music was also loud?
Yes, but at the particular time it wasn't.
At that particular time it wasn't loud. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, did you see where this particular bullet came from?
I was having conversations 1 minute and the next in an ambulance going, in a vehicle going to hospital.
So
The answer is that?
No, I just found myself in a vehicle heading to hospital.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. In court, continued to support you, and he has undertaken to even still continue to support you. That is something you know.
Yes.
In particular, what kind of support does he receive?
So just in within maybe under a minute, just what kind of support do you receive?
Medical.
Yes.
My utilities.
Yes.
Yeah, and just my general well-being.
Thank you so much. Is there any other person well-wisher? Has any other person well-wisher come out to do the same things?
No.
No other person, no other well-wisher. You are giving your testimony today. Have you been coerced in any way?
No.
It is voluntarily. You are voluntarily giving your testimony.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. May God bless you and continue to assist you in recuperation. My learned colleague will ask you some questions. I always say he's not a very bad person, and I hope he will keep that.
Thank you.
Mr. Shoka, the State Counsel in this matter, I'm going to ask you a few questions.
Yes.
In relation to the testimony you have given before court.
Yes.
You do confirm that on that morning of 17th January 2020, you were at B Club?
Yes.
And the accused person, Babu Owino, was also at B Club at that same time?
Yes.
You also confirm that you were injured by a bullet.
Yes.
And from your testimony, I've heard you say that you do not know where that bullet came from.
Yes.